Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Oh, right on my head. Oh my goodness. Hi. What are you doing? You're gonna fall. What's Hayden got? Huh? What's he got? What's he doing? Huh? Hi. Yes. Oh, hugs. Oh, go hugs. Go. Look at that.
Okay.
No. What you're supposed to do is this. Okay, I stand on this rock carefully. And then you get down low. Put the water in your hands. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Take a minute. Hit here, 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 here. Back up. Keep your hands wet. Whoop. Come back over here. Okay, thank you. And a blessing.
Did you guys hear that?
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
I think it was a chicken. He's like, hey guys, nice to see you. Have a great day. Hope you had a great day.
I don't know. That looks haunted to
He's
me.
moving really slow though. You think it's because he's on a snail?
No. Guys, I think this is haunted. What the heck? It looks like Mello. Okay.
Oh, get this one, the little mushroom with the gnome. Don't you gnome? There's nobody home.
You want to sit down on that bench?
Like, get me next to Brad's path. The door.
There's a door.
Did you see that?
See what?
It was a sink. There's a sink
Guys.
right over there.
Guys.
It's in its natural habitat.
I'm scared, Mom.
Stay here. I'm gonna try to touch it.
Oh, let me go. I'm scared. Mom, no. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Start up. Turn the light on.
I think I made it bad. Wait, oh crap! Where's the lion? I can't see anything.
Oh my god.
It's right behind us. I think I heard it dripping.
Guys, this thing is following us.
Hi, love you.
Okay.
Hey guys, I want to thank you for liking and subscribing my last video, hopefully the one before that, and this one, thumbs up, right? But before we get to the end of this, I wanted to let you know that there's a great family called the Tates, Sherry and Scott Tate. They're located in Inman, South Carolina. They're the breeders that I get all of my goats from, and they are absolutely amazing. They don't just breed goats and send them off. They're always there if you ever need them. I've had issues. I've called them day or night. They're there for me. They've become great friends. I love their goat setup. It's just awesome. I went to a goat sanctuary today, and what they've got there is so much better. So thank you, Tates, for being so awesome. And if you'd like to purchase a goat or maybe some goat soap, they're the people to call. So Tate Kids, look them up on Facebook. You won't regret it.